What's going on, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company, and we are back with another car review. Today we'll be checking out our brand new 2018 Volkswagen Golf. This one's the sport wagon, so we got the hatchback on the back. Starting up front, we do get LED headlights up here with chrome trimming, alloy rims. It's got a really sleek white paint job. Comes with no dents or scratches. Coming around to the back end here, we got the Golf SE. And then a backup camera. It'll come out of this Volkswagen badge. So this will act as your trunk latch. Then your backup camera comes out of that when you throw it in reverse. Being a sport wagon, this thing gets tons of space in the back. Comes with all-terrain rubber mats. You get the Golf on the front too. You can throw down the back two seats with these latches here. It comes with a cover, hooks up at the front here, but tons of space back here. Other than that, it does get blind spot monitors on the rear view mirrors, as well as keyless entry. Let's take a look at the interior. Alright guys, so as for the interior of this Golf Sport Wagon, we have a leather wrapped flat bottom steering wheel. It comes with Bluetooth capabilities. You get your voice control, cruise control. You also do get paddle shifters on the back. Over to the left, all four of these window switches are automatic up and down. You have a setting to heat your rear view mirrors just by turning that downward. And then over on our touchscreen display, super nice display. Comes with Bluetooth capabilities. It's really responsive. We'll go to the media options. So you do have a CD player. It's inside of the glove box. Comes with a USB port, Bluetooth audio, aux port, but it also does come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All you got to do is tap this app button up here. This will allow you to open up your own personal music apps or navigation apps. Really convenient feature. Just plug in your phone with this USB port. Also does get your aux port there as well. You get heated front seats, 3 settings on each one for the front two. Just behind that comes with a push to start. Get a leather wrapped gear shifter here, 12-volt socket, 2 cup holders, and then inside your console you get a 12-volt socket. As for the seats, they're leather wrapped, really comfortable seats. Being a sport wagon, you don't only get space in the back of the car, but you get tons of legroom in these back seats. Also does get air vents. And then up top, lastly, this one comes with a panoramic moonroof. Goes all the way to the back of the car. You got these screen controls here. That'll open up automatically. It's a pretty sizable moonroof. And then the controls for the glass are just up in front of it. So this lets a lot of light inside of your sport wagon. Really nice interior. To wrap it up on our new Golf Sport Wagon, guys, it's in great condition. Doesn't have a single damage or accident on its Carfax report. It's got just over 10,000 miles. Also has a 1.8 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine under the hood that gets up to 24 miles per gallon in city and 33 on the highway. This is a really spacious 5-seater sedan. You got tons of space in the back due to the fact that it's a sport wagon. Comes with a dual exhaust system, panoramic moonroof up top, heated seats on the inside, really nice touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also do have blind spot monitors, really clean paint job with no dents or scratches. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check it out. We'll see you guys soon.